Hi, so it's been a really long time since I sat down and I talked to the camera, but I wanted to sit down and tell you guys about something that I'm going to be doing over the next 12 weeks. To give you a little bit of backstory, I've been feeling like I've been stuck. I've been feeling like that episode of SpongeBob where Squidward just keeps reliving the same day over and over again. Ready for something new. I'm ready to make a complete change in my life. I know that there's more out there for me and I'm ready to finally go and get it. Feeling like I've been stuck in the same place, in the same routine, not seeing any progress. So this fall, I'm going to be doing my full life rebrand that I'm calling my fall arc. It's going to be a 12-week thing. I'm going to start on September 1st all the way to November 20th so that I can enjoy on Thanksgiving and celebrate with my family and friends and just enjoy the holidays knowing that I put in the work. And I just wanted to take you guys on the journey. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the process and what it is I'm going to be focusing on over the next 12 weeks. I'm going to give you a little bit of background on how I put this plan together. If this is something that you want to do for yourself, you can join me. I'm thinking about making a broadcast channel on Instagram so that we can chit chat about the process if you want to do it with me. If that's something that you would be interested in, let me know in the comments so I know for sure if I need to make that or not. Let's go ahead and get into what the next 12 weeks are going to look like. And I do want to preference that I'm not just doing this just to have content to make or just to go on like a weight loss journey. Something really deeply rooted in this change that I'm trying to make. I have been feeling, like I said, I've been feeling like I've been stuck. Like I've been trying to accomplish some of the same things over and over again. I feel like this last year, I really have put a lot of effort into myself and I've finally seen some of those changes, but I just feel like it's not enough. I feel like I'm not going hard enough. I feel like I'm not completely tapped in the way that I need to be. So this is me, one, proving to myself that I can do it. Two, actually going all in and betting on myself for once and not just saying that, oh, I wish I could do this. No, it's time for me to actually do this. It's time for me to actually give myself my 100% attention and completely go in on my goal so that I can finally be at the place that I want to be in life and not just keep saying one day, maybe it'll happen. It can't happen and we're going to do it together. This is what the next 12 weeks are going to look like. It is a full, I'm looking at my notes here. It's a full life rebrand is what I'm calling it. The fall arc. It's going to start September 1st all the way to November 20th. It is exactly 81 days. So this is kind of like the 75 hard, 75 soft challenge, but this is a little bit more personal to me. I'm also going to give you the framework if this is something that you want to do for yourself, because I use ChatGPT to come up with the step-by-step guides for me. So I'm going to give you the framework and everything to use if that's something you want to set it for yourself. Into 3 phases. We have week 1 through 4, which is going to be the reset and routine. We have week 5 through 8, which is going to be the progress and push. We have week 9 through 12, which is going to be the glow and monetize. I'm going to share my journey here with you on YouTube. I'm also going to be posting a little bit more candidly on TikTok. So if you're not following me there, you should. I'll go ahead and link it on the screen, but I'll also put a link in the description box so that you can follow me so that you do not miss out on the journey. Especially if you're going to be doing this with me, we need to be able to keep each other accountable and check in with each other. Follow me on TikTok. I will be posting a weekly video here on YouTube, just kind of like a weekly vlog, and then we'll do check-ins. We'll do a sit-down check-in like this for each phase. These are the 3 main areas that I'm going to be focusing on personally. Again, for your rebrand, you may look a little bit different, but this is what I'm going to be doing for me. My first is going to be my fitness and wellness. If you follow me on TikTok, then you know that I shared that I had a surgery at the beginning of the year. Ever since then, I've really have been locked in on my fitness and my wellness, and I've been working out, eating a lot better. I've lost about 20 pounds. I also want to know that I am on a GLP-1. I don't think that I will be sharing too much about that journey just because I am not a doctor. And I know when I was making the decision to get on one, I was watching all these videos and seeing all these different creators. I don't want to be another face pushing this product on people. This is something that was discussed with my doctor multiple times. Multiple doctors actually this was discussed with before I made this decision. So I think this is something that's a little bit personal that you really need to consult with your healthcare provider. I don't think I will be sharing much detail about that, but I do want to be honest that I have been on a GLP-1 and I think the last 7 pounds that I've lost have been because of that. Hopefully by the end of the year, I would have liked to have lost a total of 50 pounds. So that means by now through December, I'm hoping to lose an additional 30 pounds. That seems like a lot. If I don't hit the goal, that's fine. I think because I am on the GLP-1 that it is a little bit more achievable. I don't think that I'm going to be sharing actual how much pounds that I've lost. I just want to focus on how I'm feeling, how my clothes are fitting and things like that. Actual number on the scale is just something personal for me, but I did want to be honest that that is one of the things I'm working on. How I'm going to achieve that is by working out 5 days a week. If you've been seeing my videos, I've been going to like Body Sculpt, I do strength training, and now I'm upping my cardio to hit 8 to 10K steps a day. I will be tracking my meals and making my food at home. I want to eat a lot more whole foods. Also, I'm focusing a lot on protein. So I will be sharing recipes and things that I'm trying, stuff like that, to accomplish that goal. My personal brand, I'm really diving in on growing my socials and monetizing my platform. I'm hoping by at the end of the year, I can go part-time in my full-time job and make up the rest of my income from social media. I'll be consistently creating content. I will also be applying for more campaigns and building my digital products to grow my income. Right now, I just launched my most recent product, which is my Notion template. If that's something that you're interested in, I will be making a video about that very soon. It'll be out after this. You can go ahead over to my TikTok and check it out if you are interested in a Notion template. I will be using my Notion template to actually track my 12-week fall arc. So I will be showing you guys that process along the way. If that is something that you're interested in, again, that will be linked in my description box. Lastly, it is my lifestyle and self-care. I've been tapping more into my feminine energy, and I know that's like so trendy and everyone wants like, I really hate saying it, but it is true. I've been feeling like lately, especially since I've been back in therapy and just working on my mental health and all of that, I've been wanting more of a soft, gentle life. And I'm not talking like the luxury soft girl life where you are driving to Pilates in a Porsche. Obviously, I would like that to be my life one day. But those are not the things that I'm focusing on right now. What I'm focusing on is how I feel internally, how I feel about myself, how I present that to the world. I'll be focusing a lot on keeping up with my grooming and my feminine habits and loving on myself a little bit softer and making sure I have a morning routine that I enjoy, make sure I have a night routine that keeps me grounded. I'm focusing on my meditations and my affirmations and my breath work. Those types of things I'm really going to be focusing on as well for the next 12 weeks so that it becomes a habit and a part of my lifestyle routine. That was a lot of information. To keep everything, to sum it all up, I am focusing on my fitness and wellness. I'm focusing growing my personal brand, and I'm focusing on my lifestyle and self-care. I am focusing on for the next 12 weeks. So I do want to give you the framework if you want to throw this into ChatGPT to come up with your own 12-week plan. To put a little screenshot on here so that you can take a picture of it. But if you actually would like me to send you a template tracker and the actual framework to where you can just copy and paste it and put it into your ChatGPT, leave a comment with the word frame and I will send that to you. You are going to put this into your ChatGPT and you are going to say, I want to create my own fall arc, a 12-week full life upgrade from September through November. Please help me design a personal plan with daily and weekly habits across 3 areas: fitness and wellness, personal brand and creativity, feminine lifestyle, and self-care. Now that section you can change. If those are not the 3 things that you want to focus on, whatever it is that you want to change over the next 3 weeks, you're going to input that. And then you're going to put a little bit of descriptions for it. So like for fitness and wellness, we have steps, workout, meals, recovery. For personal brand and creativity, we have content posting, engagement, brand building. And for feminine lifestyle and self-care, style, grooming, environment, hobbies. So those things you can change if you want to do something a little bit differently. Those are, you're going to insert your fitness goal, your personal brand, lifestyle, or whatever your goals are for the next 12 weeks. Please break it down into a clear 12-week arc: 3 phases: reset, progress, glow. Daily habits to track, weekly rituals to keep me consistent, a suggestion on how I can measure the progress at the end of each week. I'd like the plan to feel motivating, flexible, and easy to follow, including ideas for content I could share if I want to document my fall arc online. That's what you're going to put into your ChatGPT. And then it'll customize your goals for you. It'll give you your step-by-step plan and it'll help you stay on track. Once you have the framework, you can go ahead and come up with your own 12-week arc plan. I'm so excited to have to go on this journey and take you guys along with me. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them in the comment section. Let me know if you want me to make the broadcast channel, because I can go ahead and put that together so that we have a place to keep each other accountable and we can chat throughout the next 12 weeks. I just feel like this is something that I've been needing to do for a really long time, and me putting it out in the world is going to help me keep myself accountable. I'm hoping that if there's anyone out there who's been feeling stuck, that they will find this video and this will push them to finally make a change for themselves. Ready for the reset and you would like to join me, let me know. I will send you over the free tracker and I will go ahead and give you that framework to copy and paste and put into your ChatGPT. Make sure if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. We're gonna get started. I am so excited for September 1st. This is a complete lifestyle change, not just another challenge. So let's go, let's get to it, and I will see you guys in my next video.
hardwood floors. Tin, tin, tin across the floor.